My name is Rhiannon Lewis. I'm a paralegal in the employment team at JCP Solicitors. Today I'm running a workshop on employment law updates for 2013 and forthcoming changes in 2014. The purpose of the workshop is to arm employers with the knowledge of the changes that have occurred and the changes that are coming up in 2014 in advance of these changes happening. So then they are aware of their obligations and what they need to comply with and any options that are available for them.
You do avoid the time of going through procedures that you know, capability procedures or disciplinaries that you might not really want to spend the time on them. If both parties, if the relationship has broken down, it's a good option there for you to have that chat, and it could result in time and saving time and cost for both parties. But obviously you need to, in practical terms, weigh up the risk that if they reject that, then it might affect the employment relationship going forward then.
The workshop will cover the new Employment Tribunal rules of procedure, which have been introduced to simplify the existing rules of procedure and make some new changes. It will also cover ACAS early conciliation, which will be introduced in April 2014 with the aim of encouraging parties to a potential employment dispute to reach settlement before going through the tribunal process.
If only part of the issue fee is paid, however, the tribunal will issue a notice to the claimant saying how much is outstanding, and they will give them a date by which they have to make that payment. Once that date, if they haven't made the payment by that date, then the claim will be rejected. It won't be, oh, you've got another 6 days, another so many days to pay. That'll be rejected then.
It will also cover settlement agreements and settlement discussions. A settlement agreement is a legally binding document that can be used to waive an employee's right to make certain claims. The workshop will cover the changes to the 2B legislation which have been introduced to provide general clarification on the 2B provisions.